Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am very excited to introduce Bol.com Sellers Data Scraper version 2.0. In other videos, we discussed about the Bol.com Products Data Scraper and Auto Email Sender to send emails to Bol sellers. And now in this video, we will be discussing how you can scrape the sellers data including their phone numbers by using this bot. So finally, when you get this zip file from me, extract it first into a simple folder and after that, just run this exe file. So this is our bot. Here are two main sections. First for scraping sellers data from URLs and second from a range of URLs. This video is going to be in two parts. In first part, I'll show you how to do scraping using this method, and in the second part of the video, we will be discussing the other method. In this section, we have to put the seller URLs. I already have collected some URLs here. Just copy them and paste here. And let me open some links on browser and to show you. Okay, now the bot will scrape these sellers data. So once you paste the links, just click the start button. Okay, it has opened the seller page and now it will scrape its data. It is scraping the data here, and some columns are disabled by default. We can enable them from the options here. Now it is scraping all the data columns. Let me show you how it is scraping the phone numbers. It is scraping phone numbers from the Bol chatbot in this way. As it is scraping the phone numbers in this way, that's why it may slow down the speed, but it will scrape all the seller phone numbers. And you can also count the number of rows by right clicking here. And it is scraping these data columns. And if you don't have seller URLs directly, then simply do a search on bol.com, for example cups, and copy its link and use in this section and check this box, and then the bot will scrape all these sellers in this listing and it will skip the duplicate ones. And if you are going to scrape a very large listing, you can then use this email notification system to stay updated on your email. And you can pause it or resume it at any time and do any other thing on your PC. Let it scrape some records. You can see the time here. I am going to pause the video for a while, and after that we will see the results and export this data into Excel file. Okay, it has scraped around 65 records. Now I show you how to export this data. Click export button and specify your output location. For example, my desktop, and choose your output format and export it. So this is our exported data. So this is our bot. It's able to scrape the unlimited sellers data from bol.com. And if you guys want to get this bot or have any questions, you can ask. The contact details are provided in the description, and I am open to custom projects. You can hire me if you need specific solutions or any type of web scraping services. That's all. And now let's move to discuss the second method. I am closing this bot and reopen it. And in this section, you can use a range of seller IDs. Let me show you. For example, I have this URL. Let's open it. Just simple copy its link and paste here and specify your maximum range, for example 87. And now the bot will scrape from this ID to this ID by incrementing 1. Let's start it. Okay, it has opened this ID and the seller exists on this ID, and on the other ID the sellers are not existing and it exists on this one. The bot will scraping in this way. We can enable all the data columns. The bot will keep scraping in this way until it completes the maximum range. Okay, it has completed the range and we can now export it in the way that I have explained already. So if you guys have any questions or want to get this bot, you can contact me. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.